The periodic table is my best topic in chemistry. My teacher gave me the basics and everything I need to know in the periodic table. My name is Guse and I will be your tutor in chemistry for today. So let's head back to the classroom. Our topic for today is the periodic table, and first of all, the periodic table is a table that shows elements according to their atomic numbers. But the thing is, how do you know the position of each of these elements on the periodic table? You need to know the atomic numbers, and the atomic numbers are the serial numbers of these elements. You can see the first element there is hydrogen, the second is helium, the third is lithium. Now, while I was in secondary school, most students find it difficult to memorize their elements accordingly. That's why I'm here, to give you the tips and how you can be able to overcome that. So while I was in secondary school, I came up with this rhyme that says, "He has large brain but cannot offer full 9 subjects. Many are seriously practicing and studying chemistry as per chemistry lovers." So you see that every word stands for something. He stands for hydrogen, H stands for helium, large stands for lithium. So in that way, you're able to know your elements accordingly. Because if you miss one element to another, let's say the first element is hydrogen, and then instead of hydrogen you wrote lithium, you're telling us that lithium, the atomic number for lithium is 1, which is wrong. That was what helped me to be able to know my elements accordingly and how to play around with the periodic table. Now let's go back to the periodic table now. This is our periodic table. It looks like this. It has the vertical lines and the horizontal lines, okay? So the vertical lines are referred to the groups, while the horizontal lines are referred to the periods. Let me not be blocking you guys. The periods, okay? So how do I know the position of sodium on the periodic table, or where is sodium supposed to be here? That boils down to knowing your elements accordingly, because you need to know the atomic number for sodium for you to be able to know the position of sodium on the periodic table. Now sodium has 11 number of electrons, meaning sodium has atomic number 11, and if we are using electronic configuration to arrange our elements, then the first shell takes 2 electrons, the second shell takes 8, and then the last shell takes 1. So the outermost shell, the number of electrons on the outermost shell depicts the group, and we have just 1 electron on the outermost shell, meaning that sodium will be on group 1. And the number of shell we have 1, 2, 3. So sodium will be on what? Period 3. Alright, do we understand? So we come here. This is group 1, and this is period 3. So sodium will be right here. So let's try it for magnesium. Magnesium has the atomic number 12. Alright, let's use the same way of arranging our electrons, which says the first shell should take 2 electrons, the second shell 8, and then the last shell 2 electrons. It's taking 2 because magnesium, this is magnesium, has 12 number of electrons. So this is 2, 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, so the remaining electrons will be 2. That's why it's like that. So this means that the outermost electron, magnesium has 2 number of electrons on the outermost shell. This is representing the group. 1, 2, 3 representing the period. That's the shell number, which is what? Period 3 group. This is group 2. Sorry about that. Group 2, period 3. So when you come here, where is the group 2? This is group 2, period 3. So magnesium will be right there. Show me the position of oxygen on the periodic table in the comment section. See you next time.